Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are a quantity surveying student, civil engineering student, site engineer, or a young engineer, then this video is for you. Today we're going to be looking at bar bending schedule, short BBS. During the course of this video, we are going to know what a bar bending schedule is, why is it important, who prepares the bar bending schedule, what are the various uses, and where is it used. Bar bending schedule is a detailed schedule that shows the reinforcement bars to be used in a concrete structure. The bar bending schedule shows us the size, the shape, the number of bars, the length, the total weight of the bar. The BBS converts structural drawing into exact number of steel bars needed on sites. The BBS is very important because reinforcements are very expensive and errors can lead to serious losses to a project. With bar bending schedule, we know the exact amount of steel to use, we reduce site mistakes, and we improve planning and control. Without BBS, construction often face shortages, wastage of material, excess steel. Bar bending schedule is usually prepared by the structural engineer and quantity surveyor. The structural engineer provides reinforcement detail, and the quantity surveyor checks for measurement and cost, while the site engineer uses it for cutting and fixing on sites. Bar bending schedule has various important uses. First, cost control. It helps with accurate estimation and prevent overordering of materials. Second, material planning. With the accurate estimate you've gotten about your steel, it can now be ordered in stages. This helps to solve the issues concerning storage and also theft, which is quite common in a lot of sites. Third, in avoiding wastage. So getting the accurate length or the precise length of the bars that are needed. It helps in curbing cutting errors, so you know what you are using. Bar bending schedule is used in almost all reinforced column elements such as columns, beams, slabs, and footing. And each of these elements has its own method of bar calculation, which we are going to discuss in later video. In this video, we introduce bar bending schedule, its importance, who prepares it, its uses, and where it's being used. In the next video, we will be looking at basic reinforcement technologies, so make sure you stay tuned.